In 2023, SeaWorld Orlando opened Pipeline the Surf Coaster, a first of its kind stand-up coaster. Pipeline the Surf Coaster goes 60 miles an hour with a height of 110 feet and a length of 2,950 feet. Pipeline is the only roller coaster in the world to utilize a feature called surfing, where the seats are able to shift up and down to mimic the feeling of surfing a wave. And now, this is my model of Pipeline the Surf Coaster from SeaWorld Orlando, made out of NEX.